Have you been in this situation? You have a new MacBook Pro and you constantly forget that you no longer has a normal connection port, but everything has changed to the new USB-C ports. You may have invested in some kind of a dongle, but let's be honest, dongles are clumsy. Here could be a different solution for your use. Baseus has made this very handy little device that splits in two parts. These left and right parts connect firmly into the USB-C ports on either side of your MacBook Pro. With these blocks, you get up to 3 high-speed USB 3.0 ports on your laptop with the old USB-A type of connectors. Likewise, this device offers 3 USB-C ports, which you can also power your laptop, a headphone connection, an Ethernet port for wired network connection, and HDMI connection for an external monitor. You can easily keep the pieces in place when you move your laptop or when you decide to pack your computer in your bag. The package is very small and neat. Perhaps its only small downside comes for the fact that this hub do not directly provide an option for the SD card reader. But in those cases, such a reader can be easily connected to a standard USB port as a separate device. What do you think about this gadget? Check out the product links in the description. I'll tell you where you can get yours. Hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.